I wanted to open my Beauty Box Club December subscription box with you. I've already had a peek. There's so many things crammed in here. I think there's at least 5 products. There's 5 or so products in each box each month. The value is like $100 at least, and these work out at $35 a month if you go monthly, or cheaper if you buy 3 months or 6 months subscription. So they're just based in Melbourne, Australia, which is cool too. So let's see what's inside. Got a cute little Christmas bauble. There's a few product flyers in here that I'll go back over. So first thing is Allure London glue eyelashes, reusable for up to 5 wears. That's cool. And then I have the waterproof metallic eyeliner, Revlon Photo Ready color correcting pen. Ooh, instantly conceals skin tone and color imperfections. I like that. Seju, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but super cute. It's a little brow soap, and it comes with a little instruction pamphlet and brush. I'll show you. So here's a little tray and the little spoolie, and you just slide it across, and here's the instructions. So cute. And then there's Sally Hansen Glossy Illuminator Leg, and it's actually a roll-on, which is cool. Oh, and then this beautiful eyeshadow palette. How fun is that blue gonna be? I want to try it. Oh yeah, that looks so nice. So many things in there. So you get a mixture of travel size products and full size. So you'll see obviously like these are full size. And then there was a couple of, well, they're all full size. That's cool. They're all full size this month. Thank you so much to the Beauty Club. That is the cutest little thing, and it works out so cheap.